Kanyang cover page, rubrics, table of contents, request, acknowledgement. Ini ang artifacts ko sa empowerment. May description, learning goals, and reflection. Ang sunod din is ang artifacts ko sa UCSB. Sunod, practical research. Ini din ang artifacts ko. Ini ang artifacts ko sa IAP. Sa programming, PE, philosophy, MIL, Entrep, pagsulat sa Pilipino sa piling lara, work immersion, programming, PE, research project, training person division.
Ayos man siya kaso dapat i-improve lang ang design.
Ini ang cover page, rubrics, table of contents, reference, acknowledgement, is ang artifacts ko sa government, USSC, practical research, DAP, programming, saka ini lang sa PE, philosophy, sa second year, ini man, MIL, Entrep, pagsulat sa Pilipinas, sa piling ng work immersion, programming, PE, culminating, saka yun, personal data.
In my portfolio, each artifact represents my hard work. In my portfolio, it's not just about displaying artifacts, but also telling the stories behind them and sharing what I learned through my collecting journey. In my portfolio is a reflection of my curiosity, dedication, and appreciation. It's a testament to my journey of exploration and learning.